English testing effect. Study, test, know. Number 1. Jeans are normally made from denim. Number 2. She wore a red top to the party. Number 3. Trousers are also known as pants. Number 4. This hat is too big for my head. Number 5. A coat is usually worn in cold weather. Number 6. Trainers are a type of shoes. Number 7. He wore a white shirt to the interview. Number 8. A jumper is also known as a sweater. Number 9. She wore high heels to the wedding. Number 10. He wore a sweatshirt to the gym. Number 11. She wore a long skirt to the concert. A t-shirt has short sleeves. Number 13. A tracksuit is worn for casual wear or sports. Number 14. She wore a beautiful dress to the dance. Number 15. A necktie is worn with a suit. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quizzes and tests from English Testing Effect.